Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn how to configure stop loss and target levels for Nifty spot and how to place trades automatically when price reaches a chosen level. I will walk you through everything step by step, including the installation setup at the end. So make sure to watch this video completely. So this is the Nifty chart. Here I want to place an order when the price touches this level. Okay, price touched the level and the order just got placed. Now I want to set my SL at the Nifty instead of the premium chart. Okay, and this is premium chart. Okay, so open Nifty chart. Here now I will set my stop loss here by right clicking on the chart. Price is moving in my direction, so now I will set my target here. Our target is reached and trailing has started since I enabled it earlier. Okay, perfect. The order is exited successfully. Next, let's see the installation part. So first open the website mkcodes.com, register here, and after that login. So subscribe any plan here and go to the downloads. Here under Fyers Max, type your client ID and download. Open the folder, extract, open the folder and open Fyers Scalper. Here you should enter the API details, so click add or edit API details. Here is my key and API key. You should create API key from my API.fyers.in. Here under dashboard, click create an app name, give any name, redirect URL mkcodes.com. Give any description and check all those options and click I accept API and click create app. It will create an app like this one, like this one. Okay, so copy this app ID and paste here. The secret ID, copy this secret ID and paste here, and this is my client ID and this is my email ID, and the password is the password we used to sign up here in my website. Okay, and click insert all. Okay, after that click login. It will redirect to a URL with token, okay, authentication code. Okay, sometimes it will ask you to log in first, so after completing the login only you will see the code like this. Okay, so copy the full URL and paste here. Okay, here you choose, I have chosen strategy view. Okay, you can, sometimes it will show something very big with a large option, so under views you just select a strategy view for simple option, and here under the Nifty load the options first, and after that under click charts. Here you can see the chart and double right click and place order accordingly. Okay. I hope you all understood how to use chart trading on Fyers with our scalper tool to set index stop loss, target and entry levels. We also covered the installation process so you can set it up easily. If you have any queries, please let me know in comments. Join our Telegram group to get more information about this software. Thank you for watching.